In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push code to GitHub from VS Code using Terminal. By the end, you'll take changes from your local project in Visual Studio Code and see them live in a GitHub repository, all using the built-in terminal. First, make sure you have the basics in place. You'll need Git installed on your machine and a GitHub account. In VS Code, you can confirm Git is available by opening the terminal and running git version. If VS Code prompts you to sign into GitHub, go ahead and connect so it can help with authentication later. Open your project folder in VS Code. Now, open the integrated terminal by going to the menu and choosing View, then Terminal. You'll run all your commands here from your project's root directory. Start by staging your changes. Type Git status to see what's modified. To stage everything that's changed, use Git Add and press Enter. If you prefer to stage specific files, replace the dot with a file path. Run Git status again to confirm the files have moved to the staging area. Next, commit your work with a clear message. Type git commit m, describe what you changed, and press Enter. Aim for a concise, meaningful message so your history stays readable. Now let's connect the local repo to GitHub. In your browser, create a new repository on GitHub if you haven't already, then copy its URL from the code button. HTTPS is the simplest option. Back in VS Code's terminal, set your default branch if needed with git branch, main, then add the remote. Git remote add origin. If you're already connected to a remote, you can skip this. Time to push. Run git push u origin main. The first push may trigger a sign-in or browser prompt from VS Code. Approve it so Git can authenticate. When the push finishes, your code is on GitHub. Verify it in the browser by opening your GitHub dashboard and selecting your repository. Click the Code tab to view your files. If you want to double-check from a Cloud Dev environment, you can open the repository in Codespaces from the same code menu, make a small edit, click Commit, and confirm Yes when prompted to stage and commit. Back in the repository, open the README.md to confirm your updates. In VS Code, you might also see a Commit Edit MSG tab, which simply records the commit message you used. Use the Markdown preview for README to confirm everything looks right. That's it. You staged your files, committed your changes, connected to GitHub, pushed from the VS Code terminal, and verified everything on GitHub. Save these commands and you'll have a smooth, repeatable workflow for every project.